Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Laura and this is Semi-Domestic Mom. Today's video I am going to be doing just kind of a refresh on my pantry. You'll see me talking to my phone a lot, and this is from when I did my live clean with me. And you guys, that was so much fun. I loved it, and I actually was on there for an hour with you guys. It was great. I'm gonna have to definitely do that again. But like I said, today I'm going to be tackling my pantry. I cut the video down to what just me actually cleaning, and it's at just normal pace. So you'll see maybe for the first time on my channel, it not sped up. This is how, long it takes me to actually clean something. It actually took about an hour overall to clean it because I was talking so much to the camera, but it would have gone a lot quicker if, obviously if I hadn't been talking and just been doing it. But I wanted to show you guys this real time, no sped up video of me cleaning, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys get some motivation from it to tackle your pantry or whatever room you need to work on today. And I just wanted to say thanks, guys, for coming along on my live videos lately. I've really enjoyed them. Hopefully you guys will come to this next one every Friday at 12 Mountain Standard Time. Anyway, let's get to cleaning.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You
used to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name. Can't disguise who I am when I am with you. My armor fell off cause your words got me naked, got me naked. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks of gone, can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape.
So while I was cleaning out the pantry, I obviously had the camera in the way, so I kind of just had to chuck things out. And this is my trash pile. So I'm gonna just take all this stuff out to the trash and get it out of the way. And then afterwards, I'm going to be vacuuming and mopping, getting those dust bunnies out.
When you call my name, when you call my name.
It's nice when you have a base to work with in your pantry, like all of the buckets I have and the storage setup that I already have. You know, that took me initially a few hours to figure out, and I've kind of made an adjustment over the past few years since the first time I set my pantry up. But now when I need to go through and clean out the pantry, you know, it takes 30 minutes at the most because I already know where things need to go. So basically I just have to clean out all the old boxes or packages of crayons that my kids decide that they want to leave in the pantry for some reason. But so I would definitely encourage you, if you can, go to the dollar store, get buckets, set up your pantry, and then work with it over the next, few months and trying to figure out a good solution for yourself. That way in the future, it's not a huge hassle that you have to worry about. It's something that you can tackle real easily and it'll take a whole lot of stress off you. Whether your pantry is huge or small, organization definitely helps every time. So that's going to be it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought down below. And if you guys get a chance, if you're on Instagram, come over and say hi. My username over there is semi_domestic_. And I love talking with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video again, and I will see you guys with the next one. Hopefully also my next live. They're pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.
Until something better came along.